Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to draw a caterpillar with simple circle shape and simple straight lines. Let's start the drawing. So students, first of all, we will draw a circle shape. Now we will draw the eyes and a cute smile on the caterpillar's face. Up on the head, draw one line diagonally, another line in the opposite direction, diagonal line. Draw a small circle at the corner on both the lines. We will draw a circle just next to the face of the caterpillar, but it's not going to be the full circle, overlapped by the face. Similarly, we will draw some more circle shapes being overlapped by the first one. You can add as many as you like if you want to make a big caterpillar. I'm going to draw 4 over here. We will draw a small circle just at the top. For the legs of the caterpillar, let's draw lines under each circle shape, 2 lines under each circle shape. Draw a raindrop-like shape at the corner. So students, the drawing of the caterpillar is complete. Now it's your turn to enjoy fun drawing and color the picture. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.